Hello, friends. Welcome back to a new lesson, a new day, a new cluster. That's right. We are almost there at the end of the school year, at least when I am taping this. Maybe, you're beginning your school year or you're right in the middle, but it doesn't matter your circumstances. What matters is your attitude. So, do you have an attitude for learning today? I hope so. My name is Mrs. Bruson, and I am so happy that you have decided to join me today. Well, let's begin with analyzing this question. So, what I need you to do is, well, I'm going to read it, but after I read it, we will read it together. And then, what I want you to do is, I want you to stop the video for a few minutes and just think about a good answer for this question. How does technology makes the world a better place? Hmm. Let's read it together. How does technology makes the world a better place? Okay, so remember, just pause the video and then come back to me whenever you're ready. I am sure that you have a lot to offer on that question because that is a very good one. Okay. Okay, so here we have our new topic for today. And today's topic is vocabulary for Unit 4, Cluster 3 of the Edge Level B curriculum. Okay, so this is aligned to the Edge Level B. And again, this is Unit 4, Cluster 3 vocabulary. And our clear learning target for today is I can write each vocabulary word on a flashcard to practice spelling and pronunciation with a friend. How about we read this together? I can write each vocabulary word on a flashcard to practice spelling and pronunciation with a friend. And we're also going to use them to write sentences. You will see that at the end when I present my example, my modeling, okay? Okay. So this is what you will be doing at the end of the lesson. That's right. So this is an example, but as I mentioned before, I will model this at the end after we introduce all of the words. Okay. And just a reminder that I'm going to be using some parts of speech, and I will let you know what that is for each vocabulary word. Okay, so our first word of the day is aggressive. Let's go ahead and read it together. Aggressive. One more time. Aggressive. And aggressive is an adjective. It is used to describe nouns. Look at the illustration that I have here. Look at the soccer player. Does she look friendly? Aggressive means forceful and willing to take strong action. Let's read that definition together. Aggressive means forceful and willing to take strong action. And we're just going to go ahead and look at the word in a sentence. She is an aggressive soccer player who scores lots of goals. Can we read it together? She's an aggressive soccer player who scores lots of goals. And friends, I have here a synonym, which is assertive, and an antonym, which is shy. She's definitely not shy. All of the opposite. And that is what antonyms are. Okay. So here is the second word of the day. Assemble. Let's say that together. Assemble. One more time. Assemble. Okay, an assemble is a verb, something that we do. And the definition for the word assemble is when you assemble something, you put it together. Okay, look at our little illustration. When you assemble something, you put it together. Let's use that word in a sentence. Assemble the model car out of pieces in the box. Assemble the model car out of pieces in the box. Sorry about that. And to assemble something just means to build it, okay? And that's what that gentleman or that person is doing in our illustration. He or she is building that model car, right? So assemble. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the next word that we have today, and that is device. Let's go ahead and say it together. Device. One more time. Device. And device is a noun because it's a thing, right? A device is a machine or tool that is used to do a particular job. Can we go ahead and read it together? A device is a machine or tool that is used to do a particular job. Okay, so now we are going to look at this word in a sentence. And here we go. So look at the illustration. A cell phone is a device that makes it easy to communicate. Can we read it together? A cell phone is a device that makes it easy to communicate. Next word is efficient. Efficient. Okay, let's go ahead and read it together one more time. Efficient. And efficient is an adjective. Remember that adjectives describe nouns. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that definition right there. Someone or something that is efficient works well without wasting energy. Can we read it? Someone or something that is efficient works well without wasting energy. Let's read it one more time. Someone or something is efficient that is efficient works well without wasting energy. And look at the electric car. Very efficient, isn't it? It's tiny. It probably saves a lot of gas. Let's go ahead and look at the word in a sentence. My efficient car gets 35 miles per gallon of gas. I told you so. Okay, let's go ahead and read that sentence. My efficient car gets 35 miles per gallon of gas. One more time. My efficient car gets 35 miles per gallon of gas. And an antonym or the opposite of efficient is wasteful. That's right. So the opposite of being efficient is being wasteful. Okay, friends, let's go to our next word. And now we have environment. Let's go ahead and say it together. Environment. One more time. Environment. An environment is a noun. Your environment includes all the things that surround you. Let's read that definition together. Your environment includes all the things that surround you. So it could be anywhere. It could be at school, at home, at work, in the park. That is the environment, something that, the place where you are, the surroundings, everything around you, right? So look at the illustration and now let's use that word in a sentence. The race car driver's work environment is noisy and stressful. Can we read it together? Let's do it. The race car driver's work environment is noisy and stressful. Let's do it one more time. The race car driver's work environment is noisy and stressful. Okay, friends, and now we are going to look at the word obstacle. Let's go ahead and do this. Obstacle. One more time. Obstacle. And obstacle is a noun. It's a thing, person, or place, right? In this case, a thing. An obstacle is something that gets in your way or causes trouble for you. Look at the illustration and let's go ahead and read that definition together. An obstacle is something that gets in your way or causes trouble for you. And we're just going to go ahead and use that word in a sentence. The fallen tree was an obstacle on the road. Okay, let's go ahead and read it. The fallen tree was an obstacle on the road. One more time. The fallen tree was an obstacle on the road. Okay, you guys are doing amazing, by the way. Now we have the word solution. Let's go ahead and read it together. Solution. One more time. Solution. And solution is a noun. A solution is an answer that solves or fixes a problem. Let's go ahead and read it together. A solution is an answer that solves or fixes a problem. One more time. A solution is an answer that solves or fixes a problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the word solution in a sentence. Here we go. My team found a solution to our problem with the project. Okay, let's read it. My team found a solution to our problem with the project. One more time. My team found a solution to our problem with the project. An antonym to the word solution is problem. Remember that antonyms are the opposite. So the opposite to solution is problem. And here we have it. Okay, so now we have the word technology. Let's go ahead and read that together. Technology. Okay, one more time. Technology. And friends, technology is a noun because it's a thing, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and read that definition. Technology is scientific knowledge as it is used in the world. Okay, let's go ahead and read it one more time. Technology is scientific knowledge as it is used in the world. One more time. Okay. Technology is scientific knowledge as it is used in the world. Okay, let's go ahead and see that word in a sentence. Technology can include machines, equipment, and systems that are created by science. Let's read it. Technology can include machines, equipment, and systems that are created by science. One more time. Technology can include machines, equipment, and systems that are created by science. Okay, excellent. And with that, we have arrived at our activity. So I'm just going to show you a quick little video of what I was doing. Okay. And then, it's your turn. And when you finish, just provide your teacher or me with evidence that you completed the activity. Okay. So we're going to just go ahead and pause the video to complete the activity. Okay, and with that, we have arrived at the end of another wonderful lesson. I hope this is useful to you and that you can learn many new things because of these new words. Okay, I will see you next time.